happy Sunday. It's Sunday around 12:15 p.m. and I just had to go out and get some groceries. So this is a grocery haul. I just thought I'll share a lockdown grocery haul with you because lately I've not been cooking that well, and just basic dal, rice, and chapati, and like the wheat roti and pickle. So I've been feeling a bit sad. So I thought I will go ahead and get some vegetables. There were people outside. It was not that deserted. Actually, I got up very late, and by the time I left, it was 9:30. Usually, the shops here are open by 7 o'clock. So yeah, I got few stuff. I am very happy. So let me share with you. Actually, I was hoping that I will not buy because I was hoping that the lockdown would get over by 4, and by 3rd of May, and by today, and then I would have to move. So I was planning to buy groceries from in new home, but I think it's still further increased by 2 weeks till 17th of May. So I don't want to eat same plain stuff. It makes me miserable. So I got pretty interesting stuff. So I went to that local kirana store, the local grocery stores that we have here, because I thought I'll just get 250 grams rather than getting the entire 1 kg packet, and then it's difficulty in moving. And I saw a pani puri packet, so I'm gonna make pani puri. This is like a chaat we eat with spicy and sweet water. So I'm gonna make this tonight. I'm sure that would make me happy because actually yesterday I was planning. I had a bit depressing day. I made 2 videos for you. That was fun. And food wise, it was a bit depressing. I just had plain paratha, and I was thinking of ordering from Swiggy, and I thought that okay, tomorrow I will go and get groceries and make something fun. Actually, I was planning to go yesterday evening, but it was raining, so I could not go out. So yeah, I'm gonna make pani puri. And there have been a lot of videos on chole bhature. Bhature I'm not going to make. I've had enough fried stuff. I just got 250 grams of chole, chickpea, and I got Everest chole masala as well. I couldn't resist myself from buying this. So maybe I will make this tomorrow. I don't know when I would. Everest masalas are good masalas. I mean, their quality and taste has not changed. I think this is for 33 rupees something, if you can say. Yeah, it is not 33 rupees, not focusing that well. So that, and from the same Marwadi store, like the local kirana store, I got some saved. I asked him, so he gave me 250 gram. This is to make chaat, and I could not get the puffed rice, but I'm going to make chaat with this. I'm going to make sweet chutney later. I've shared chaat recipes with you guys previously, so you could go ahead and try. Those are not with these puris, but you can still use these puris. And this is that yellow shave. They were good for taste. And I got some curry leaves because I like curry leaves to add in curry and stuff like that. Then I got Eno. This is to make thokla. I'll be in case if I feel like eating a snack, I can make thokla. So yeah, usually if you're home, I feel very hungry, and especially if I'm stressed out and if I have a lot of work, I feel extremely hungry. And then I also got this coffee. Usually I don't drink coffee because that makes my skin break out. Uh, but I'm going to use this as a scrub, and I will show you the skin how it looks. So I need to add yogurt also, but I think I will use it next week. I can get yogurt from the store just like a few blocks away. There is a store I can get yogurt. So for next week. Then I got two country eggs or nati eggs they call here, small ones. I just got two because I can have egg curry on Wednesday. So I got that. I got chicken liver as well. It's right now I'm making it, cooking it. I got some coriander because I don't like my plain food. I feel the food is naked if I don't add coriander. So yesterday I made poha, a flattened rice. So snack. So I need to add this. I usually add it to all the curries and dal and snacks that I make. Then of course I have shared with you I love a lot of lemons, and please have a lot of lemons and vitamin C. It helps you with colds and coughs and things like that. So, and I was hoping to get some amla, so I got some amla as well. This is good for your hair, good for your skin. This again has lots of vitamin C. So I'm going to juice it. Then I got some mint as well. I need to sort it. I need to sort the vegetables. And mint I will use. I can use in the glow juice or the beetroot juice, and I can also put it in pani puri. Now my mixer is not working. Sorry about that. My mixer is not working. My grinder is broken. I have juicer, so I am thinking I can make. I can juice it in juicer. That. And then I got 2 packets of milk. I am getting organic milk. It's delivered, home delivered. Sometimes I drink a lot of tea or drink a lot of milk. I would want. I've been going down and getting milk from the store that's closer to my home. But I thought it's still nice to get this kind of milk. Then moving on, I got some biscuits. I've been reducing sugar. Usually I would eat biscuit every day, and I have reduced. But now that I'm home, last week I ate a lot of biscuits. Sometimes really you are hungry and busy and you want something to eat. So I don't know how. I don't usually eat diet biscuits, but I thought I'll give this a try. And Marie Light, they say it is a diet biscuit. I love Marie anyways. And of course, a good old Parle G. This is a very famous biscuit in India, and my mom fed us this biscuit when we were kids, so we grew up eating these biscuits. This also they say that they are made of wheat, so I like this biscuit. I think these are light. And then I got you know tapioca pearls to make sabudana khichdi, because it seems I'm just only eating roti. That is just making me a bit sad. I want a bit of variety for breakfast. I want to ensure that I eat well. Then I got 500 grams of sugar. I wanted less than that. I am trying not to add sugar to my lemon juice and my tea. However, sometimes I add it to this when I make this sabudana khichdi. I have shared the recipe. Or poha, I do like to add a little bit of sweetness, little bit of sugar, because it then enhances the spiciness. A little bit of spicy chilies you add, so it enhances that taste. So I got a little sugar. Then I got a small packet of oil, because in case if I'm frying something or I need oil. We don't know how long we're going to be here. I don't want to go again shopping for oil. Then I also got this banana boat coconut water. I had one because I was very very tired. So just in case if I want something, but I usually try and avoid to have drinks from this kind of plastic bottle or packaging. But sometimes we have no choice. Mostly I stick to lemon juice, and what I do is I put some I squeeze one entire whole lemon in water, and then I add some chaat masala, and I add some a pinch of salt, and it tastes just as good. And I skip the sugar. I've been skipping sugar. Now then I also got ginger garlic paste, because like I said, my mixer grinder is broken. So, and then I got some vegetables. I got potatoes, in case if I'm in hurry I can make potato curry. And then I got beets, because I'm going to juice the beets. I like to have beetroot juice very 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 much. And then I got some beans. I need to sort this. I got some beans. So what I plan to do is, he gave me this cauliflower. I was not planning to buy cauliflower. He gave me this I think 30 rupees kg, and was fresh. So I'm planning to make pulao tomorrow, and so that's why I got a capsicum as well, and these French beans. And I also got cucumber, because it's hot like I said, and I it sometimes my skin breaks out, so I want to ensure that I start eating. It's month of May, so I will start eating cucumber as well. One cucumber every day. I was eating that. I was doing it, I think, in November and December. Then I got bad cough and I stopped. So yeah, I want to start again having cucumbers because it's hot and it's gonna help with my skin. And I got some chilies as well. Like I said, I need to sort out. Like I said in the previous grocery haul video, I am very picky about chilies. These are hot. I wanted for pani puri, and I got a big piece of ginger. Ginger is also good for coughs and cold and to help build your immunity. So I usually add ginger to my tea. I don't like plain tea, so I add ginger. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I am in a mess and I've put a face pack on my face. So I'm that is all I have. I'm gonna have my lunch and sort these vegetables. And I hope you like my previous videos and this video as well. Let me know what you have been buying, or let me know if you have been cooking any elaborate recipes or something like that, and share it with me. And I can then maybe cook and share with rest of the Ghor Patel's team or YouTube team on this channel. So yeah, if you like the video, hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.